live. Wait lang tayo mag 5 o'clock. While waiting for the players. Okay. So wait lang tayo guys. Good afternoon once again. So it's exactly 5 o'clock. Start na natin yung event proper. For those watching right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
So joined with me right now, I have Hexa, third player, rank E. Tama ba?
Yes, I'm ranking. Going D.
Yeah, going D. Ready to take the D.
Kaso mahirap lang kasi maraming smart ngayon.
Yeah,
Oh, mag-reset lang.
ganun talaga.
Yun. 12 minutes to go.
Yeah, so chill lang, mister, mga ma'am, kung may nanonood.
Oh, hindi pa nakapasok yung SWA. Hindi pa pumasok si SWA. Okay, habang wala pa munang palabas, kumuha muna kayo ng popcorn, fries, or umorder kayo ng grab food. I think mahaba-habang laro to. Patingin mo, abot kaya to ng best of 3. Okay?
What's up? Kami ni Tayo to. Shoutout kay Tayo to. Milski yata tayo.
Mm.
Ang baho ng ano eh. Twitch name. Literally. Stop. Kanta mo na yung caster. Oh no. Caster ka na naman.
Hindi ko pala mababasa yung chat nila.
Sa Twitch. Twitch auto meeting.
Sa Twitch.
Yeah. So currently out tab.
Uy, Miss Chris, maraming salamat. Sino ba yung gumawa ng site? Shout out natin. Di ba si Mariski yun?
Yung.
Yung website?
Oo. Shoutout kay ML.
Mm. Mm.
Milski.
Mariski, maraming salamat.
Architect.
Shout out, shout out. Shout out din sa gold medalist. Yung with Philippine crowd. Alisin mo na lang yung password peg. Peg.
I-remake ko na lang. Remake.
Oh, remake. Remake na lang.
Yeah. Join. Series already.
Yun guys.
So checking lang on chat. Yung mga master. Okay. Unable to join. Try lang.
Biglag na siya.
Relag. Pero mas maganda nandito ka rin sa ops para backup in case.
Sige, sige. Saka na ako. Tapos sa skin lang,
Ah,
skin lang. Backup lang just in case maputol ka
yep, para backup.
para tuloy-tuloy.
And may observer.
Hmm. Yun, Litmus map, ganda to. 1v1 map.
Yeah. And sa main base, merong dalawang cast right away. Kaya yun is ang unique feature ng map.
Hmm.
Uy, 4 viewers, shoutout. Madami tayo. Hopefully, yung iba dito yung mula kanina. Uy, 6 viewers. Wow. Increase ah. Increasing viewers. Thank you so much. Malapit tayo mag-start, guys and gals. And if you drop sa chat, no? Sa chat kayo dito sa Twitch. If you're there, if you're on your keyboard, or maybe on your phone. If you're watching lang and you don't have an account, madali lang gumawa ng account. Just make a Twitch account, download the app sa phone, or PC. Pwede naman browser. And, yun, pa-follow na rin. Hehe. Plug na rin para update kayo sa mga events, SCPH events, mga Pinoy gaming, and of course, I also do the live streams ng mga nag-ladder ako and other stuff. Yeah. So, start tayo, 5 o'clock. Naglaban nila. So, for now, habang wala pa, so, hope everyone is having an amazing day, or amazing night, or amazing afternoon, amazing morning, wherever you are in the world. So, I know, there are many Pinoy players all over the world right now, and probably some non-Pinoy, no, non-Pinoy players watching this. And yeah, unfortunately, we're going to be speaking in our native medium, pero yeah, but we'll be combining mostly English and our native Tagalog language during this cast. And yeah,
Kakalabas lang ng ads mo.
really
Kaya ako nag-view.
nice.
Ayos.
We're just waiting for Unswa. For some reason, wala pa rin siya.
Online siya. Online siya sa StarCraft. Pagka di makapasok.
Ulit. One more time.
Ayaw pa rin.
Public ko na nga. Wala pa rin, issue na niyan.
Default na naman.
Default agad. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Sige. Risk na lang. Tag.
Hindi na naman wala. Lapit na.
Happening. Nag-CR din kasi wala pa ng 5.
Okay. Bakit kinabahan? Kumain na daw siya. Advance kumain kasi baka daw matalo siya. Wala siyang gana kumain.
Sabi niya.
Hmm. Wow, 10 viewers na.
Hey, what's
Marami
up?
ng audience.
Yeah, shout out to everyone here watching this live right now. So thank you for supporting StarCraft Philippines. Even though this is a casual, friendly tournament built between friends, the casual community. Actually, maraming community. Sa mga hindi aware, watching this right now, maraming community sa Pilipinas. There's this ladder community, yung mga hardcore ladder players. There's also casual community, meron din fastest map community. So iba-ibang game modes. Preference, kumbaga. There's not just one way to play the game. Yeah, so there are multiple ways
Kasi,
to play the game. Marami nga, meron din yung mga, siguro, mga, tawag yun, custom maps. Yeah, so we're about to start. Lapit na. 1 minute to go, 5 o'clock. And yeah,
yes.
let's ask our players if ready na sila. Then we'll begin.
Okay. Yung race na lang ni Riz. Chat mo.
Daming tao, no? Probably iba dito friends ng mga players. And yeah, it's amazing. Thank you for supporting yung tropa ninyo.
Ayun. Think ready na sila.
Ready na ba? It's the type. Type C.
Oh my. Nakita mo. Wait.
Season start. Okay. Goods pa?
Uy. Wait.
Kinabahan.
Yeah. Send pa daw ng link sa mga fans niya. Dami yung fans. Galingan mo, Onsuka. Sa hindi nakakaalam, Bisaya pala niyan si Onsua from Ormoc. Ako din Bisaya from Mindanao.
Yeah, ako hindi ako
So,
Bisaya.
yes, hello sa mga Bisaya dyan. May mga viewers na Bisaya dyan. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Bopeng?
Wala pa.
Bali, nanonood ako kanina ng laro ni Mini versus Soma. Grabe si Soma. Oo. Ano mo yung caster na si Sayan? Sayan SC. Sayan. Sa kanya ako minsan nanonood ng mga laro.
Yan.
Yun, G.
Race or G?
G, go!
Let's go. Finally, you were making it happen. Mga kapatid, mga kababayan, Pinoy, StarCraft enthusiasts all over the world, we have Unswa versus I am Risk Taker. So, spawning here on the upper right side of the map, our purple/magenta or kung anumang kulay ito, Terran player, Unswa. And on the lower right side of the map, we have our Protoss player, ang magiting na si I am Risk Taker. Now, just a few background details lang kina Unswa. I'm Risk Taker. Let's start with Unswa. So actually, I asked him a few interview questions. And si Unswa, ang first race niya talaga is Terran. Because close to sa tao, challenging. And yeah, very strategic the way you play this. So, yun. Unswa, I've been seeing him. Actually, nakilala ko lang parang a couple of months ago or last year lang, around the last quarter of 2025, around November, December. And based on seeing his play, parang rusty lang siya. Parang in the past, he used to play StarCraft in the early stages of the game. And now, bumabalik siya. And it looks like he's on the right track, no? Parang if you can see his gameplay, Ito na parang medyo rusty lang pero he has the moves. And now, while, nga, may early scout from both I Am Risk Taker and nakasalubong yon ng SCV ni Unswa. Now, on the other side though, wala pa namang action. Si I Am Risk Taker is one of the casual Pinoy Protoss players na mahilig siya mag-cheese actually. Tawag namin sa kanya 3 Kings eh. Bakit 3 Kings? Kasi Pechay King, DT King, and Kenner King. Speaking of Pechay King, no, mahilig siya Pechay means photon cannon rush. As you can see here, no, si Unswa just getting on top of it, no, sinascan niya ang base ni Risk and nakita niya, okay, ngayon nag-dual yung SCV and probe. Pero syempre, lamang ng SCV pag pakbaka na walang micro and nakita niya gateway opening, so hindi siya dapat matakot for any Pechay / photon cannon moves. And yeah, so far, standard openers. So joining you, by the way, si Hexa. Hexa is a rank E Zerg player. He's being trained by one of the best Zerg players in the Philippines, si Panga PH. And yun, pakilala ka Hexa para sa mga ating mga
Yes, magandang hapon dyan sa mga viewers. Yes, I'm also a new player in this, returning player for StarCraft. Kaya rank E pa. Pero improving, yeah. So, umpisa lang yung laro. I think maganda yung opening. Napatay ni Res yung SCB ni Unswa. So, ano sa tingin mo? Sino nang lamang dito, Peng?
Wala pa kasi early game. Pero definitely, itong set to.
Pero,
Let's see yung micro ni Unswa dito. And Risk Taker has the right components of the early Zealot pressure probe. And Zealot, kailangan lang magkasama sila. Now, kailangan makita ni Unswa. First damage dealt off to the Marine. Hindi na micro. 2 hits already sa Marine. Pero buti na pull out ni Unswa right away. And now, factory being started. Unswa needs to micro properly. Pinull back ang Zealot bago ma-hit yung Marine. Ano nangyari doon? Not sure why Risk made a retreat decision there. Pero sana patay na yung isang Marine. Now, of course, this is gonna cause some...
Yun, namatay. Nadali.
Yes, nadali na yung Marine ng isang Zealot. Yeah, right now also trying to micro the hell out dito. Kaso, good SimCity by Unswa. Very nice positioning ng barracks left side of the depot. In the factory, di makadaan ng Zealot. Talagang praktisado. Very good SimCity. And second down. Only losing 1 Marine. That's very, very good for Terran. Meanwhile, on the side of Risk Taker, very standard opener. No? Nag-open siya this time with Dragoon and range. At, wow, this is kakaiba kay Risk, ha? Normally, hindi siya maglaro standard. Let's see if he would actually go for the standard 23 Nexus or I don't know. Meanwhile, Unswa side, meron lang Vulture. You should pump out siguro 1 more, 2 more Marines or depending kung anong gagawin ni Unswa. And he should get that machine chop early. Kaso, look at that double factory opening by Unswa. And itong Vulture, nakasalubong ng Dragoon. Na damage na less than half life. Hindi niya na push forward ngayon. Of course, Risk sees this. And he'll be able to defend against his Dragoon. Anong gagawin ni Risk? Okay, nice block by Risk using this probe. The Dragoon will be able to catch up kaso hindi humahabol yung Dragoon. Okay, early game of back. Probe gets taken out 2 hits down. This is not looking good. Early harassment from Unswa plus double factory opening when machine shop. Dito sa late post very common yung double factory opening simply because yung access sa early second gas na dito sa main pa lang. And looks like the probes and the Dragoon combined. Look, may isang kill. Ito siguro nakapatay ng Vulture.
Kung nakita mo yun, mga moves ni Unswa, di ba? Yung kanina micro niya sa Marines at yung nakalabas yung Vulture niya. Nakadali pa ng isang probe.
Yeah,
di ba? Ang galing ng micro.
Definitely. And medyo swinner din yung Vulture niya kasi hindi nag-miss going up the ramp. Knowing nag-miss yung range unit going up the ramp now. Yeah, very smart. Okay, ngayon, Risk is playing it smart. 1 Dragoon blocking the ramp while the second Dragoon moving forward to scout ano yung ginagawa ng Terran. And may Nexus na rin. So, very, very standard opening for Risk, no? Very impressive. Ito pala, kita mo, laki ng improvement ni Risk. Now, yikes, nakita niya, there are 3 Marines and Vulture, yung pala pinakita ni Unswa, pero not knowing, this is actually a double factory opener from Unswa, and this is dangerous for Risk Taker. Napaka-powerful opening na to. So what Risk needs to do is to add more gateways kaso hindi siya aware sa opener ni Unswa right now. Ngayon, nag-add na ngayon ng gateway, second gateway, and second gas. I think the second gas is too early for this Taker. This is a powerful push. 3 Marines, 1 Vulture, and 1 Siege Tank. I don't know if naka-rally. I think Unso is rallying. Yeah, more tanks. And let's see how this goes. Micro na lang to. Micro battle. Up. 1 Dragoon falls down in a trading with 1 Marine. Kaso, ako, yan. Risk needs to reinforce with more Dragoons and target fire. Yung Marines attack carefully. Look at that. It's a micro battle. Risk just pushing and killing the tank. Wow, this is a good defense by Risk, losing 2 Dragoons in exchange of 1 tank, 1 Vulture, 3 Marines. Napakaganda ng trade ito for Risk. But syempre meron pang tank na papunta. May 2 tanks on the way. Kaso solo tank, I don't think this is a good idea. Yan si Risk, what needs to do is to add more gateways. Ngayon, na pushback niya ang tank ni Uso. Very good defense by Risk, no? So yeah, Hexa, ang tingin mo.
Yes, pero patapos na din yung siege ata at saka yung mines. So, para sa akin, lamang pa rin ata si Onswa dito.
Well, definitely no.
So, pag matatapos tong upgrade, for sure.
Yeah, let's see. I don't know if siege ito or mines will upgrade. We're not seeing anything yet.
Malilimit yung movement ni Risk.
Definitely. And kayo, meron robotics, meron observatory, and Citadel. Wow, okay. So, maganda dito sa, well, ang weakness ng Tufak actually is yung DP. If makabang Dark Templar si Risk Taker, there's a chance na ma-push back niya ang army ni Unswa. Ngayon, so this is a very powerful opening. Ang problema lang dito, sa push ni Unswa, if Unswa doesn't do damage or at the very least kill this Nexus ni I am Risk Taker, automatically magiging ahead agad si Risk Taker. Unswa is expanding behind with the command center. This is a powerful push. Nag-pull siya ng extra 2 SCPs dito with the clash. Kaso, Unswa also needs some Vulture support.
So, tama ba yun, Ping? Like, mag-expand ka? Parang nagpo-push siya while expanding.
Yeah, okay lang yung move na yun, no? It's very valid naman. Pero depende kasi kung ano yung playstyle nila. And looks like Unswa gusto niya may backup plan. Kaya I think this command center is an okay decision.
Yun, tapos na yung mines. Dito na talaga siguro magka-map control na si Onswa. Especially itong map na to, 1v1 map. Dito. Mas madaling i-control.
Right, and once you ma-choke mo to, naku, wala pa observer, suicide on Dragoons. Kaya that's why it's very important to have that observer early, lalo na may mga Vulture Spider mines. This is looking like a very powerful soft contain right now from Unswa, containing this sa kanyang natural. Kasi isa lang daanan dito sa Litmos, unless you could, of course, ferry using the shuttle, going over here, or wherever, no? Pwede yung usually common dito is yung river from this base, diretso dito, sa base ng Terran. That is yung mga common moves ng Terran versus Protoss in this map. Now, Siege, moving forward, leapfrogging yung kanyang tanks, papunta sa base ni Risk. Risk needs to add more gates, add more units, and yung shuttle para sa river. Not looking good for this right now. This is looking very dangerous for Risk Taker. Yung Dragoons ka just dying for free. That's mga siege tanks. And Jax, mga Vulture, mga kaabante. Now, there's a shuttle. Kaso, there are lots of spider mines. Pag mag-drop siya ng unit, mines ang kakagat sa river! Aray ko!
Suicide.
River for 1 tank. I don't think that was worth it at all. That's why,
Yes.
that's very important na mayroon ka lagi observer, especially when facing Terran. So that was a big blunder sa side ni Risk, no? Automatically dito pa
Talagang-
na si Unswa.
Yes, talagang praktisado si Onswa. Tignan mo. Talagang may talent talaga para sa DT in case of may DT or yun, river kanina, yung drop, di ba? So parang pinagandaan niya talaga itong laban na to.
Yes, definitely. And medyo na-contain niya si Risk eh. Ang kailangan gawin ni Unswa, make sure hindi makalabas yung Protoss. Of course, it's not yet over, no? Risk, there's always still a way out of this. Pero Risk needs to act fast. Hindi niya pwedeng hayaan makontain siya ng Terran like this. If dumami ang turrets dito and dumami ang tanks, it's going to be hard to move out. Ngayon, they're trying to move out with dito sa mga turret caster, this shuttle will get taken down by that single missile turret, and the detection will kill the DT. Yikes! This is looking like game over for Risk Taker. Naunahan siya sa pwestuhan ni Unswa.
I think parang nagpanic na si Riz. Pwede sana siya mag-counter-attack, tapos naglagay na lang siya ng cannon sa taas.
Yeah, pero mahirap.
Nag-drop
kasi
na lang. Mahirap.
Mahirap ang counter-attack in this situation. Ang kailangan gawin talaga is unahan niya sa pwesto Or maybe some
Mm.
shield battery, I don't know. Pero kulang lang sa pump, I believe, no, with the right micro rather, kaya sana ma-push back ni Risk. Kaso, this is looking very dire situation si Risk right now. DTs, no, again, kailangan niya ng observer kasi wala siyang observer. He is going here blind. And sa side naman ni Unso, wala naman siyang scan so far.
Oh, yun lang yung problema, walang scan.
Pero mayroon siyang turret.
Siguro, pinalipad na lang yun yung barracks kanina. Pupunta dito. Sa umpisa pa lang.
Yeah, that's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Actually, pwede na akit na nga ni Unso. Wala nang units. It is takes
Wala na unit.
Cannon. This is looking like
Yes, contain. GG na to. Contain na. Isang miracle na lang kailangan ni Risk para ma-push niya itong nasa baba ng mga units ni Unsua. Hindi si miracle.
yun ang naging problem mo kasi wala siyang observer right away. Kaya siya nadadali ng spider mines. Pero meron siyang observer, he could have pushed back using those dragoons and maybe add a couple of zealots, no? If naagahan niya yung Citadel zealot leg speed, baka nagawa pa rin pa. Pero this is looking kulong na talaga eh. Shuttle ang way out dito.
Wala lang. Kaya nga, siguro nung umpisa, nung may river at gate siya, baka nag-counter-attack siya nung nag-drop. Baka mag-panic din si Unsua.
O probably, yun siguro yung better decision. Pero kaya, may turret eh. This DT is just gonna go to waste. Kaya kailangan ingatan yung Dark Templar. Kailangan magawa ng paraan para ma-eliminate yung turrets. Kaso, there are just too many tanks here. Pero one good mind drag, no? If mag-selot siguro siya. And moving forward to tanks, you should clear this with the DT. Kahit ito i-clear ng DT, no? Kaya pwede, ito yung mga moment na pwede niyang i-forward yung DT to clear this tank. Pero yan, mukhang panic mode na si Risk.
Panic mode na si Risk.
Yeah, Risk does not know what to do in this situation. Napakadaming tanks here.
Di ba? Nag-counter-attack. Yun yung sabi ko, dapat kanina yung ginawa. Kaya nag-AFK dito sa baba si Unsua.
Right, dapat kanina. Okay.
Kanina.
Ito yung nakasilip ko yung map saglit. Okay, nag-drop pa ng river. Yeah, mukhang daming. Hindi, maraming yata naligtas sa SCV. Pero, it's kind of too late, no? The damage
too late na.
Nandito na sa base. Unswa, kahit ma-damage mo ang economy ni Unswa. Unswa is just gonna kill this base right now. Yeah, this is looking like a GG already.
Medyo late talaga yung counter-attack. Nung una sanang labas ng river at saka DT.
Yeah, actually kailangan din yun na-observe. Actually, yung unang labas na river, if only na micro siya. With the silent support, support. And kasi kanina namatay yung dragoons dito for free with the siege, hindi niya rin nabantayan. And it's a GG. Wow, grabe si Unswa.
Wow.
That was a well-executed game 1 from Unswa.
Yes.
1-0 in favor of Unswa. Now, second game would be User's pick. Si Risk, antayin natin kung pumili siya ng map. Let's see some messages.
I think yung crucial doon, yung namatay yung first DT at river niya, di ba?
Right, medyo...
Yung pinaka-crucial. Pwede niya, hindi na drop sana yun, di ba? Yung river, micro na lang niya.
Yes, pero kasi wala siyang observer din. Siguro dapat in-assume na
yung may mines.
Spider mines. Yes. So yun din. So medyo if only Risk siguro macroed faster, added more gateways. And siguro binalista niyo yung papunta ng Citadel and Zealot Legs. Maybe hindi ganun maging situation. Kasi at that moment, inulang siya ng Zealots. And I don't know actually. I've been using Protoss for a while pero mahirap siyang situation mahirap maka-exit sa ganung situation eh. Pero yung counter-attack definitely if naging earlier baka nakaabala pa kay Unswa and hindi siya makaka-macro ng ganun dami na. Okay, next map would be Roaring Currents. Another a two-player map, no? By the choice of Risk. I think ito yung isa sa favorite maps ni I'm Risk Taker. So I'm gonna create yeah, grabe yun, Hexa.
Gandang laban nun. Parang hindi casual gamer yun.
Yo, that was well executed by Unswa. Yeah, okay. Kita no, grabe yung improvement ng mga players, no? Hindi naman ganyan
grabe
ni Unswa na itong mga previous
Oo.
Previous weeks.
Banggalawan doon.
Kasi
Parang alam talaga niya gagawin.
tinake advantage niya yung map. Two factory.
Tinake advantage niya.
Alam niya yung meta.
Parang nanood siya sa yung sa kanat. I think nandun siya, di ba? Nung nagma-preview tayo.
Yeah, I think so.
I think nandun siya Unswa. Baka tinake advantage niya yun. Yung isa lang yung daanan.
Okay, let's
see. Yung bilis ng upgrade niya. Mindset saka siege. Yun talaga. Yun talaga nakapag-control ng game.
Right. And though yung medyo early game, medyo hindi maganda yung initial push ni Unswa. Nakahold pa si Riston. But, yeah, dahil sa macro na out macro ni Unswa, ni Risk, and hindi na-capitalize ni Risk. Sayang yung Dark Templar namatay sa mines and yung Reaver. I think it was just a micro issue yung nangyari doon. Kasi yung tech, I think Risk had the tools, kaso hindi lang na-control.
Ano sa tingin mo, okay lang ba yung push na yung tatlong Marines ba yun at saka yung Vulture, wala pang tanks? Kasi may lumabas na mga tanks doon, pero hindi niya inintay.
Yeah, well, may mga ganung push na naman na nakikita na in-execute minsan. As long as you can execute well, depende talaga sa player kung anong diskarte. Pero normally, may tank kahit isa.
Kasi kaya naubos dahil walang tanks sa tingin ko.
Right. Pero may isang tank naman kanina eh. About 70 viewers watching right now. Rock and roll.
Ganda ng laban.
Yeah, and kay Ristel actually, ganda ng opener niya. Very, very standard eh. That was impressive.
Oo. Kasi, pero di yan alam na tupak yun.
Oo, yun na yung naging problem.
Dapat pag-toss ka, no? Parang yung pag 1v1 siguro, expected mo na yun, may mga early push.
Right, and ang response talaga dun kasi is double factory, pero hindi siguro prepared si Risk sa ganung klaseng play from the Terran. Kaya yun, caught off guard, hindi siya nakapag-pump enough Dragoons and mga countermeasures. Yeah, really tricky actually.
Naghilag pa si Unswa.
Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen in this game. Is it going to be a 2-0 or a 1-1? Pero this is Risk pick na map. So yung map na to, let's see kung anong magagawa ni I Am Risk Taker.
Yeah. So I think usually nananalo di photos. Diba? Dahil air superiority dito na map. Diba? So, yun. Magaling mag-carrier series. So, as advantage siya dito.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess may advantage nga talaga yung photos dito, and I kinda agree because carriers are very powerful in this map. Pero yun again, nakadepende talaga sa player kung how they would maneuver this. And as you can see here on screen right now, yung map. This is a one-on-one map. Very predictable. Alam mo agad sa base ng kalaban. There's one path dito. If you're from the upper right, you're going left and then going down. If you're from the bottom left, you're going up then go right. Sa base ng kalaban, while there are 3 natural bases for you to conquer the side mo, and then separated by a bridge. And there are 3 islands on the lower right, 1 island on the upper left. Now you can only get 2 using shuttles, dropships, or float your command center para maka-take the base. So yeah, very interesting map, and carriers are powerful here because kita nyo mga mineral positioning. Carriers can fly over itong mga tubig, hindi yan maaabot ng Goliath. Pwede siguro Wraith, pwede siguro mag-Wraith or Valk or whatever or discard it. Yung Unswa, if ever umabot sa point na umabot sa carrier na stage of the game.
Ating sa mga sinasabi mo, Peng, meron din isang advantage dito. Dahil malayo each other yung base, so hindi ka makapag-grid mode like CC first or Nexus first. Diba?
Right, and yun ang actually common sa map na ito, maging greedy, pero yun nga baka kasi, alam mo yun, may mind games pa rin dito, like, alam mo mag-greedy yung kalaban normally, so baka mag-cheese like double gate, proxy robotics, stuff like that, proxy starport, floating factory, yung mga ganun. Those things are
pa rin talaga mag-scout talaga.
Definitely. Kaya scouting is key. Scouting is key. Like yung nangyari kanina, hindi na scout ni Risk ng double factory. And probably if na-scout ni Risk, I'm not sure if prepared si Risk Taker sa ganung klaseng plays from Terran. Now, we're still waiting for Unswa, our Terran player.
Yes.
Unable to
So,
hear.
sa mga viewers, hintayin lang natin si Ushma dahil sa kape lang yan naglaro. What happened?
Yeah, recreate.
Okay. Yun.
Ayan, okay.
Exciting to.
Alright.
Diba? Sabi ko na baka lumipat ng hindi naman siguro nalilipat.
Okay.
May shout out daw sa ex.
Game number 2 between Unswa and I am Risk Taker. Spotting here on the upper right side of the map. We have our purple Terran player Unswa. And spawning on the lower left side of the map, we have our pink pink Protoss player. I am Risk Taker. So as of now, yung scoring, yung mga bagong dating, no, score ngayon is 1-0 in favor of Unswa, our Terran player. And yeah, we're on the map called Roaring Currents. Roaring Currents is a semi-island map. Kaya ko siya nasabi semi-island map because merong daanan actually from your base to your opponent's base if you're playing on this map. And merong 3 island bases on the lower right and 1 island base on the upper left, which you can only get to using dropships, shuttles, or flying your command centers or even arbiter recall, mga ganong things. But yeah, let's see what these two players have in store. Of course, this is a loser's pick map, so definitely ito yung pick ni Risk because meron siyang naisip na strategy na gawin dito sa map na to.
Peche dito si Rista. Kasi aga nag-scout oh.
Yeah, very early scout from Risk, no? Actually, si Risk yung mahilig talaga mag-early scout. Kasi mahilig siya sa mga
Yun, may purge. Di ba? Sabi ko.
It's looking like a Pechay opening, no? Sa mga hindi familiar kay Risk, yung mga hindi pa nakakilala kay Risk, when you say Pechay in mga SC casual, no? SCPH casual slang language, it means photon cannon rush pero nakatago. Pero kita ni Unswa ito eh. Ay, wait, baliktad. Kita, yeah, definitely nakita niya yung probe. Pero let's see if Unswa will react, no? Baka hindi siya nakafocus.
Baka hindi niya nakita sa minimap. Kita niya yung probe na pumunta, pero pag hindi ka kasi nakatutok sa minimap, parang mawawala sa'yo. Mag-BBC ka din mag-build kasi ng build order mo.
Right, and right na ito yung walang vision right. Oh, scan, okay. Na-scan.
Oh no!
Huli, boy.
Oh no! Sinagsandaan talaga si Unswa. Galing!
Pinagandaan si Risk, kamo, ni Unswa. Okay, nakita yung pylon dito, so di makaka-land ng photon cannon. Kaso hindi, tutuloy pa rin ni Risk. Pino-force niya.
Parang sila ng plano.
Pino-force niya.
Sira ang plano.
From Unswa. Ito, na-learn ko lang din, this single marine can actually take down this photon cannon. Nalaman ko
Whoa!
while doing
Really?
Yes. Nalaman ko yun while doing PVT against mga. Nag-try ako mag photon cannons. So, dalawa. Tapos naubos na yung single marine nung kaka-start. Yan. Hindi na-cancel ni Risk. Naku po. Wasted 150
Hindi na-cancel?
minerals.
Sayang.
Automatically wasted 150 minerals. This is already not looking good for Risk. Yung cheese niya nag-fail.
Pero hindi pa naman to paano. Hindi pa dito dit. Hindi pa dito dit si
As you can
Risk.
see, no, yung move ni Risk Taker actually delayed yung factory ni Unswa, no. He has enough minerals to build the factory. Pero tuloy na dismantle, nasira yung plan si Unswa. Kaya successful, medyo si Risk napapull off ng plan. Oh! Dito pala nag-factory. Look at that. May cheese na.
Kala mo ikaw na.
Alam mo, ikaw na. Kaya pala nabawasan yung gas. Okay, kaya pala nabawasan yung gas.
Magandang laro. Interesting. Vulture is coming.
And double factory ulit mula kay Unswa. Yahay! Hindi.
Yikes! Yikes! Check natin yung vision ni Risk. Oh, ang layo! Sobrang layo.
Di kita, mga sir.
Hindi kita. Sobrang layo.
Oh, yun ang vulture. Palabas na. Don't dragoons yan.
Kahit paramihin yung vulture dito.
And
Oh
so, may
my
back pa
God.
si Risk dahil namatay ang pylon.
Matay mo yung pylon.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Actually,
Isang dragons pa.
I think kailangan lang ano. Actually, if si Risk iniwan niya yung dragon dito, hindi niya ilabas. Actually, mapapatay niya yung vulture and makikita to. But,
Kasi wala pang upgrade. Oh, mayado na. Mayado na. Papatabain lang ito ng maraming vulture.
Nag-iipon ng vulture na, tapos getting add-on. I'm not sure kung si Unswa actually lalabas ka ng vulture para hindi na mag-ipon ng minerals. Serious ka.
Parang gusto makasigurado ni Unso para di masayang ata yung factory niya. Baka ma-push out din.
Let's see. Ayun na.
Yun, dalawa. Yun.
Okay.
One. Let's go.
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5, grab
5, 6, 7,
7,
8.
and binamicro, patrol micro sa Zelot. Yun na, grabe. Naabala to yung second Nexus being pulled, no? Being created right now.
Parang yung naglaro, hindi mga casual player.
Oo nga eh. Actually, buti Dragoon series dito. And yeah, actually, kailangan na gawin ni Risk, no? I-hold. Eh, nakita na yan.
Gumawa ng starport yan.
Oo nga, bakit Starport? Ako po. Actually, kung ma-hold ni Risk to, tuloy-tuloy lang, pwede pa siya mag-i-ahead. Kaso grabe na yung damage. Ilang probes na lang to? Just 6 probes, 7 probes, isa sa gas. Automatically ahead na si Unswa talaga dito. Unso just needs to maintain that advantage.
Namatay.
Kaya kung ako si Unswa, ubusin ko ng probe. I'll just focus all my energy and attention to eliminate as much probes as possible. Kaso, okay, only one probe gets killed by this vulture pero grabe na yung damage initially. Pwede actually mag-expand si Unswa pero he's deciding to go for the third factory inside his main. And damage has already been done. Actually, kung pinatagal pa ni Unswa to, baka maka-recover pa si Risk. Pero, oy, diretso Stargate? Seryoso? Behind the series pero dumiretso pa rin Stargate. Grabe talaga yung dedication sa carrier.
Diba? Pero magaling mag-death si Risk, kaya hindi dapat mag-complacent dito si Unswa.
Actually, kung si Unswa i-maintain ko yung pressure, I would finish the game right away kasi grabe yung advantage ko. Habang wala pang pera si Risk, knowing na naka-damage. And single gate lang. One gate and this scary army. 3 factories, no? 2 from the main. 1 proxy nandito, nakapwesto dito. This is looking like a dangerous situation for Risk right now. And baka this game could be ending very, very soon in the next few minutes.
Upgrading message na ba? Or upgrading pa? Or might?
Ayan na, nakita na Risk ako. Kaso, naka-move, right-click lang. Losing 1 Dragoon for free.
Sayang yun.
Bakit na? And this
Oh no.
sobrang nangabante. Yeah, not looking good for Risk, no? Bakit kasi niya pinersa ang carrier right away?
Yun, may mines na. Map control na naman. Ayan, delikado na si Risk.
Already,
Buildable terrain pa naman yan.
4 factories.
Buildable terrain pa naman yan.
Right. Yeah, very, very dangerous situation for Risk. And pililit pa rin niya mag-carrier. Naku po.
Talaga, matatagalan pa siya niyan.
Pero si Unswa mukhang wala na siyang balak patagalin. Nasa yung supply block si Unswa. But this is still looking like a strong army. Actually, tapatan to ng army. Umabante lang si Unswa dito actually. Panalo siya.
Oo nga
Siyempre,
eh.
hindi niya alam kasi wala siyang map hack.
Oo.
Yan na. Yikes.
Yun. Yikes.
Cannons up. Nakita niya. One gate. Tingnan natin. Yes, may vision siya dito. Stargate definitely. Alam niya na carrier yon. Pero ano ang gagawin ng carrier?
Walang pera.
Yes, wala kang pera.
At meron na siyang armory, so madali lang maggulayan.
So nag-add pa ng cannon series. I don't think this cannon is going to help at all. It's looking like a GG game.
GG na naman.
Nagmumukhang 2-0. This is a very powerful move by Unswa, not gonna lie, no? No expand, all in. 4-fact. 4-fact all in. May mga moves na ganito, only.
Para siguro na alaman na para usually ginagawa siguro ni Riz yung cannon rush. Kaya yung mga nakakalaban niya, kung na talaga, hindi na talaga complacent,
Prepared na sa gagawin ni Riz.
prepared na.
That is looking like GG mga kapatid.
Kahit lumabas pa tong carrier.
Grabe, yeah, really good, powerful move kay Unswa actually. 4-fact. 4-fact all in. Actually, itong ano pala floating, hindi pala floating,
Yeah,
proxy factory pala, killing 7 floats.
Factory.
Bagay. And
Wala yan.
nag-fail din yung photon cannon na rush.
I think sa iyo yan, natutunan niya yan, Leg. Kasi nanonood siya sa mga video mo eh. Yung floating factory.
Yan, well, not sure no sa akin kasi sa Raiden ko rin naman ginawa yan pero Maybe
Pero
meron pa rin
posible
sa-
naman dito. Oo. Posible naman dito. One base carrier.
Yeah,
Manimpan.
GG. Chris Taker tops out and
Oh, okay.
it's 2-0
Zero.
in favor of
2-0.
Unswa.
Panalo na si Riz.
Grabe no.
Panalo na siya.
Panalo si Unswa.
Panalo na.
Yeah, that was
Grabe.
well deserved 2-0 from Unswa. That was a
Yes.
move, no? And unfortunately hindi prepared si Risk sa mga ganong klaseng cheese. Akala niya siya lang pwede mag-cheese. Unswa may baon pala.
May baon din pala.
Okay, so yeah, that's going to be it for today's day 1 sa round robin, no. Meron pang round robin, day 2 tomorrow up to Friday, day 7, and yung pinaka top 4 highest scorers sa round robin will proceed to the semifinals. Apat na players 'yon. So yeah. So yun ang
Yes,
natin today.
pasalamatan din natin yung mga sponsors nating team. Si Senib at saka si Teban. Thank you for sponsoring to make this event happen. Yes, salamat sa inyo.
Yeah, and salamat to every participant na rin. So grabe, no? It's going to be exciting yung mga susunod na araw for sure. So yeah.
Shout out then kang Melski for doing the website natin. Diba?
Right, yeah, shout out kay Milski and everyone, every Pinoy player supporting. So yeah, shout out kay Albert777 and si Tayo Tot dito sa stream chat. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow ulit, kita-kita tayo for day 2 of the round robin ng Tito Gaming StarCraft League. So yeah,
Yes,
thank you Hexa,
kita-kits.
and
Yes.
yeah, see you around.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
GG. Bye.